Okay, so this is one that's, well, already in just signs. In fact, there's not much to this one, right? I do have two fractions, though. And I know if I add fractions, I gotta find a common denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and find a common denominator. I'm going to end up multiplying this one by the other fraction, 1 plus sine x, because they really had no entire terms in common. Not terms, factors in common. I'm going to end up multiplying this times 1 minus sine x. So my denominator now that they look the exact same, is 1 plus sine x, 1 minus sine x. And let's go ahead and FOIL that out. If I FOIL that out, I'm going to get 1 minus sine x plus sine x. Positive sine x times minus sine x should be minus sine squared x. Okay. Can simplify that more, actually. Sine minus sine x plus sine x should cancel. So I'm going to get a positive 1 minus sine squared x. Okay, I'll leave that for right now. On the top, I'm going to have 1 times 1 plus sine x. Just give me 1 plus sine x. Then I'm going to have plus 1 times 1 minus sine x. So 1 minus sine x. My sine x's, again, like the bottom, are going to cancel because I have a positive and a negative. And I'm going to get 2. So that's pretty simplified, but it's not completely simplified because I should hopefully be able to recognize this. The 1 minus sine squared x, if I bring this out, 1 minus sine squared x is going to give me that cosine squared x. So I'm going to replace that, and I'm going to get 2 over cos squared x. Well, cosine's in the denominator, so if it's in the denominator, that means 1 over what? 1 over cosine is what? 1 over cosine is secant. So this is secant. It's not 1 over, though. It's 2. So it's 2 secant. And this was cosine squared. So it's 2 secant squared x. And done.